Welcome to physics class. I'm not with you here today. You're going to be doing the accelerating cart lab. Notice how the classroom is set up with the tracks around the room. The carts should be upside down at the end of the track, just like that. Say hello, Fatima. Fatima's taking a test. All right, the classroom is set up nice and neat. Giselle, say hello. Giselle's also taking a test. Classroom is set nice and neat. At the end of class, this is how the room should look, minus Giselle and Fatima. So just like the tumble buggy lab, you're going to use the carts, the stopwatch, and the tape to mark the position at different times. Keep the one textbook under this thing so that you can start the stopwatch. Ready, marks, get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not let my carts crash off the edge like I just did. That is really bad for them, but I don't have a lab partner, and so no one was here to help me. But that one only got 4 seconds, all right? We may want to decrease. You want to try and get 5 seconds worth of data. And just like in the tumble buggy lab, you're going to mark the position at 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, and 5 seconds if you can. Right? This data is going to be tough to take. You need to be as precise as you can. All right? As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 setups around the room, so there can only be 6 groups. All right? Make sure you are precise in taking your data, at least 5 trials, and make sure the classroom is set up nice and neat with the carts upside down like this, the tracks nice and neat. For homework, you need to have a linearized average graph with error bars. Linearized average graph with error bars. Bring that in next class, either electronic or hard copy, paper copy. Stopwatches are right back here in the back of the room. Grab a stopwatch. If you need tape, tape is right over here in the tape drawer. There is the tape. IV is time, DV is position, do at least 5 trials, bring an average linearized graph to class on Friday. The last 15 minutes of class, the substitute will pass back your tests from last class. Here are the objectives for the last test: understanding distance, displacement, speed, and velocity, understanding graphs, representing the motion using graphs, motion maps, and velocity time graphs. 1, 2, 3, 13C, 14A, 14B, C, and D. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12 and 13A, all of 8, all of 9, all of 10, and 13B. You need to weight the non-multiple choice by 2. All right, in the displacement versus velocity, what that means is, for example, if you were to, let's say in the multiple choice you were to get 0, 4, and 0, and down here in the short answer you got 2, 3, 3, 4, 3. What that means is you add these all up, adds up to a 4. You add these all up. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 3 is 15, and you're going to weight that by 2. So it counts twice as much. So instead of 15 points right here, it's going to be what?
30.
Thank you, Giselle. It's going to be 30 points. And so now my total for this section would be 34. And now I get to divide by the number of questions, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it makes these worth twice as much as those right there. And so if I had 34 divided by 13, looks like I'm just a little bit under a 3, a 2.8 or something like that. So that's how you need to weight them for this objective right here and for graphs. These 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 How do I have 2 on there twice? I'll fix that. There we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, and 13 need to be weighted twice so that they count twice as much as the multiple choice. All right? If you have questions, we'll figure it out next class. Before you leave class, you need to turn your test back into the substitute so I can put it in the grade book. If you don't turn this test back in, you will get a 0. Have a nice day.